Oh, he treats me with respect. He says he loves me all the time. He calls me 15 times a day. He likes to make sure that I'm fine. You know, I never met a man who's made me feel quite so secure. He's not like all them other boys. They're all so dumb and immature. There's just one thing that's getting in the way. When we go out to bed, you're just no good. It's such a shame. I look into your eyes. I want to get to know you. And then you make this noise and it's apparent it's all over. It's not fair and I think you're really mean. I think you're really mean. I think you're really mean. Oh, you're supposed to care, but you never make me scream. You never make me scream. Oh, it's not fair. It's really not okay. It's really not okay. It's really not okay. Oh, you're supposed to care, but all you do is take. Yeah, all you do is take. Oh, I lie here in the wet patch in the middle of the bed. I'm feeling pretty dumb. I spent ages giving head, and I remember all the nice things that you've ever said to me. Maybe I'm just overreacting. Maybe you're the one for me. There's just one thing that's getting in the way. When we go out to bed, you're just no good. It's such a shame. I look into your eyes. I want to get to know you, and then you make this noise, and it's apparent it's all over. It's not fair, and I think you're really mean. I think you're really mean. I think you're really mean. Oh, you're supposed to care, but you never make me scream. You never make me scream. Oh, it's not fair. It's really not okay. It's really not okay. It's really not okay. Oh, you're supposed to care, but all you do is take. Yeah, all you do is take.
Chat, what's good, man? How we doing? I was trying to fix my camera issues, but I'm unable to do so right now. So I'm gonna have to stick with the old shitty webcam. Oh wait, it's gonna focus on this now. Yeah, not good, man. Not good. Am I out of focus? I am. Ah. How we doing, man? What's good? What's good? What's good, chat? How are we? What's good, man? New layout's crazy. Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, new layout's fire. I'm a big fan, but bro, I don't know why my camera's had this weird thing where it now won't connect to my PC. But yeah, wait, let me bring this forward a little bit. Am I in focus now? A little bit, I guess. Bro, chat, honestly, I don't know what's happening here. It just wouldn't connect to my PC at all today. It's really weird. I've never had an issue before, but yeah, man. Don't spend 2K on a camera for a webcam, because it's going to fuck up anyway. 4.6K subs already? Nah, it's 4.06. It'd be sick if it was 4.6 already, I can't lie. But, yeah, man. I appreciate it. What's good, though? How's everyone doing? FXOTP, what's good? Malenko, how you doing? Noodleholtz, Luis, Eugene, SCXT. Who else is here, man? Spion's here, what's good? What's good, what's good, what's good? This is pissing me off, this camera thing, to be honest. I wish that it'd just work, but, you know the vibes. Veen, what's good? Chat, look at this. We're trying so hard to close above this level right now. I feel like you guys are miles away. I could be like, whoosh. Am I even in focus? Throw it out the window. Maybe. I'm not in focus, bro. What's going on? Focus. Whoosh. Okay, we're good. I had to test it out right there. 2K for a webcam, you're insane. Nah, it's like it was like 1.5, but it's a proper camera. It's like the Sony a6500 basically. I use it for everything, so it's worth it. I don't know, a6500, a4500, I think. I don't know. It's one of them. It was expensive. Anyway, we move. So, chat, welcome back to the stream. Welcome back. A bit of a weird start today, a bit of a hectic start. It's my fault. My camera was kind of fucked up. I had to try to fix it. What's good, Mohammed? But yeah, chat, so the weekly time frame, or monthly time frame, let's say, has now flipped, obviously, as of the other day, and you're now coming up. You rebroke the highs earlier in London session. Now, what can you see? Well, if you rebreak those highs again after news, you're probably going to make another all-time high, and then you're probably going to rip up a little bit further. So we're on the cusp of it right now. You would have just seen that on my level, we kind of just tapped into the hourly level. We're trying to test it over and over again. But going back to the daily, previous daily closed bearish. You then came down and broke the previous daily lows, and now you've broke the highs as well. So you're in a bit of no man's land right now. You've got CPI news in about 23 minutes, which obviously we're going to have to wait for right now. So you got 23 minutes until CPI. But yeah, that should be interesting. So if CPI comes out greater than forecast, it's good for currency. So you want to see it lower than forecast in order to push gold up. But realistically, what we're going to have to do, chat, is we're probably going to have to wait for the 4-hour close after that, or at least a 5-minute close after that news does come out. Because then we can, you know, continue to take the movement upwards. But that being said, man, let's do our levels. Let's plot everything out, and yeah, we'll see. So on the 1 hour, like we said, we had a level which is the last line of defense until all-time highs, in my opinion. I mean, yeah, you've technically got these two levels here. They're pretty much fake outs, in my opinion, pretty much wick rejections. But this is basically the last line of defense, 24.75, until all-time highs, or at least until, you know, you make a continuation up towards all-time highs. Now, below that, you've really got you got nothing, to be honest. Well, you do, but I'm not trying to take sells right now. I would say, since we've come and pushed up quite high, you could potentially take sells down here at 24.68. We discussed that yesterday. It didn't actually form correctly for us, but yeah, you could have got some sells late on into the evening to take us down here. Yeah, that was like 8 o'clock. We were on the group call watching that move happen live. But yeah, that was definitely an interesting play for sure. But yeah, that's pretty much the analysis, chat, to be honest. I think you're good to take some buys after you close up above 24.75. Now, it might be the 1 hour, it might be the 4 hour. Either way, if it's the 4 hour close, then anything above that 24.75 level, well, it's even lower. Anything above 24.74.8, that's going to take you all the way up. So yeah, we'll see how that one goes. But again, chat, very simple analysis. All we're waiting for is news. See how we close. It's above this area. We're going to take buys to continue up. If somehow you reverse all the way back down here, we'll look to take some sells. But if it's on the news push, I'm not going to be taking sells just on the news push. But yeah, chat, that's going to be it for me in terms of the analysis. Very, very simple day, to be honest. All we got to do is sit and wait. I do think we've got a lot of potential today. But again, that's all we can do right now. But yeah, chat, how was everyone's day so far? How was everyone's London session? How was everyone's Asian, if you traded it? What are we looking like? What are we looking like? W, what's good, Race? Yo, what's good, Ninju? What's good, what's good, what's good? I got a new flavor of this like natural energy drink. It's like pineapple and passion fruit. This shit's pretty nice, I can't lie. I recommend it if anyone's trying to be healthy but also likes a bit of an energy drink. Tenzing. I'm pretty sure it's the Rocks company. But yeah, pretty good. Can't lie. Can't lie, chat. But yeah, guys, if you did enjoy the analysis, make sure you drop a like. If you have any questions about what we're looking for today, or you have any questions about the market in general, please feel free to ask. I just see Malenko ask one. Tell us how to set the best stop loss for a trade after news. It's a very good question, brother. For me, I rarely trade news, to be honest, like straight away. But if you're trading news on, let's say that you get, you know, a continuation, you get a 5-minute close and you get a wick and a continuation upwards, you can either have really aggressive stops and have it below the 5-minute that just closed, or obviously you just stick it below the entire range or even the previous candle, right? So let's say that, you know, you come up for news, you come down first, sorry, make a bottom wick and then come up for news, and then you get a 5-minute closure up here and you take it off that 5, well then your stops would be down below the current candle lows, because if that candle reflipped and broke the lows, it's going to go even further, right? Otherwise, just stick it below the range. So for example, if you were taking a trade here, you could stick it below, I don't know, these wicks here, or even these wicks below here. It's the same as a normal trade, to be honest. You just got to be a bit more careful of like whipsaws and wick rejections in that way. But yeah, man. Afternoon, KB, how's it going? Thanks, SG. Anytime, Malenko. Be on clip that, please. Hey yo, what condemned someone who vapes blueberry storm drink? What? What do you mean? Do you look at chart patterns, Mohammed? Nah, not really, bro. We look at market structure, but not particularly chart patterns in that way. What should I clip? The news stop loss explanation. It was like, I think it didn't last too long. Actually, don't worry about it. It's all good. All good, mate. How are you? Yeah, I'm chilling. Thank you, KB. I'm chilling, man. I just want to get this camera fixed, but I don't know how I get it working, to be honest. So I'm not gonna waste your guys' time on it. But yeah, cool. So, what day is it? It's Wednesday, right? Wednesday. We're halfway through the week. Been a good week so far, chat. One trade only. About it. We've been very patient this week, which is good. It's a very good sign. We're going to continue that way as well, obviously. We don't want to be risking any unnecessary biscuits, right? So, yeah, we'll see what forms during news. Something good forms and something that, you know, fits within our trading plan, then we'll take it. If not, we won't. Simple. But yeah, I wonder, did anyone catch any of this move during London? I mean, we've been pretty rangy, but... Want to bet on news? Alright, Eugene, I'll bet... We'll do a £10 bet, yeah? Oh, you got some buys. Okay. Nice, bro. My school was cancelled because of heavy rain. Ah, bro, that's cool, though. You got out of school. Heavy rain, you know, that's crazy. Is it like monsoons or what? Only a partial then BE? Nice. Yo, Eugene, let's talk about this bet. What are we betting on news? Hi, do you trade news? We wait for it to come out and then we're going to see what happens straight afterwards. So we'll wait for a 5-minute closure straight after that. If it forms nicely, we'll grab something. If not, we won't. But yeah, most likely we might wait for a 4-hour. What I was trying to say to you was, you drink energy drink, some crazy flavor, and then condemn someone who vapes blueberry storm. No, bro. What I said, Mr. Spion, for your information, was that this is a good natural energy drink if you don't want to drink chemical energy drinks, because it's 100% natural ingredients. There's actually no additives or anything in it. So, yeah, man. FTMO passed? Hey, let's go, Eugene. You passed the FTMO. Huge. Dubs. Does gold have a chance of coming down? Yeah, it does. Send me £100. I'll give you 500 euros back after CPI. Sounds like a good deal. Sounds like a good deal, Noodle Holes. I'm getting it back in a different currency, though. Doing a conversion rate as well. What's good, Aditya? How you doing, brother? Damn good deal. Yeah, man. Let's see, chat. So, 15-minute close here. How'd you close? You close respecting. You're making a range here right now, chat. You know exactly what a certain Raja Banks is going to do right here. You're going to have a sell stop there and a buy stop probably right here. That's exactly what this guy's going to do. I'm not doing it, chat, but that's how you trade it if you wanted to. And then B-book himself, yeah. Bro, he is. Nah, Noodle Hots, I saw that, and you're right, bro. But yeah. Then B-book himself. It's actually true. Wrong chat. Yeah, so if you did want to trade news, that's probably how you do it. Just be careful on Forex, you get slipped. It works quite well on futures, I can't lie. I have done it. It does work well. But on Forex, it's not very good. Full margin, eh? Why not, chat? Just a light pool margin. But yeah, chat, cool. So 13 minutes left. Let's see. If you caught buys this morning, you'd be chilling right now. Probably not going to break this low. If you want to come up, you probably shouldn't break this low. Unless it's news and it's just a wick, but caught those buys this morning, you'd be nice. There was even buys here, yeah. Bro, I wonder if Jar held his 2460 buys. Crazy if so. Yeah, let's all full margin and push the news in our direction. Yeah, with the demo accounts, it's got to be done. Got to be done. Now let's do the guessing game again, right? Put 1 if you think news is going to go up, and put 2 if you think news is going to go down. I want to know. Beyond thinks down. Noodle holds things up. DTR up. A lot of 1s. A lot of 2s to be fair though. 7. 7. It's a Friends reference right there, if anyone's seen Friends. Not that I have. Chris Roy, what's good? How we doing? Full margin 3. I hear it. I hear it. Got you unclipped. Crazy. US30 just printed a textbook sell set for me, but I can't take it. I hate news. Yeah, Yanga, trust me. That's very common, right? That you get the setup, the exact setup that you need, right? You get it just before news. It happens every time. It's tough, but not much you can do here. Not much you can do. W for staying patient and disciplined. Yeah, man. So I'm excited. I do think we got a lot of potential today, though, chat. A lot of potential. Do you trade only gold? Yeah, only gold. Only gold. What shows have you watched, Sam? Quite a few, to be honest. I don't really watch too much, but I used to watch a lot whilst I was working. So, like, I always used to just have a different thing on this monitor and then just work on one. I don't know why, it just used to help me. But, bro, Billions is really good. I finished watching that a while back. Maybe last year. That was sick. I mean, it got bad towards the end. And there's, like, 2 new seasons that I haven't seen, but it's meant to be alright. And then, what else? Suits is good. Breaking Bad was average in my opinion. It might be a controversial take, but I thought it was pretty average. I don't know, what else? What are some more good shows, chat? What have you guys seen? I don't really watch too much TV, to be honest, or like movies. The Office UK is shit. That's slanderous. That is slanderous. Hated Breaking Bad, super boring, yeah. Peaky Blinders is probably one of the best shows I've ever seen. Lucifer, yeah, Lucifer was alright, to be fair. I have watched that. I used to watch that as like one of my in the background shows. That was alright, to be fair. Vikings, Marco Polo, The Witcher. I haven't seen any of those. I've seen, what's that Viking show? It's like The Last Kingdom or some shit. That's good. That one's good. I think price will go down. This is what my feelings tell me. Oh, Vikings Valhalla. Yeah, I have seen that, bro. I have seen that. That's good. If you think price is going to go down... Actually, no, I'm not going to tell you to do that. I was going to say take a sell. But don't do that. Chat. 8 minutes here till news comes out. I think it's going to be quite a volatile one, though. I'm going to have to put this away for a second. Have you seen the last ship? It's amazing. No, what's that about? It's about some sort of ship, right? Oh, big volume though, chat. Wow, big push down there. That might end up meaning that if we start pushing down before news, that you rip up on news. I don't know. A lot of times that happens. Yeah, Comics Open. Oh yeah, it's Comics Open right now. I just noticed the time. Yeah, you're right. Comics Open bringing some volume. Okay. What I've noticed is though, a lot of times news goes in the opposite direction of where you're pushing just before it. So like, if you saw yesterday's news, where was that? That was... here, right? That was right here. You started pushing down just before the news came out, and then it ripped up, right? And that's almost your liquidity grab. Might be something to keep an eye on. The crew of a naval destroyer is forced to confront the reality of a new existence when a pandemic kills... Oh, crazy. So there's like a pandemic and they're out in the middle of nowhere. But they survive. That's crazy. Sounds interesting, bro. I might give it a watch. Five seasons. Crazy. Every episode keeps you on the edge of the seat. Crazy. I'll give it a watch for sure. If I get some time. Okay, chat, cool. 6 minutes. So, let's lock it in here, man. Let's see what happens. I think the majority of people said... Actually, I think it was pretty 50-50 in terms of up and down. For where news is going to push. Which is interesting, right? Because that's almost as if no one knows. Pure speculation. I suppose probability would say that. Yeah, chat. So the rest of the week should be good after this, though. We don't have any news. We've got news tomorrow, right? But I don't think we have any news Friday. What do we have on Friday? On Thursday. Tomorrow we got retail sales and unemployment claims at 1:30. Oh, that's a big 1:30 push right there. But then after that, Friday's clean. So we should have a good end to the week, in my opinion. Should be nice. But again, we'll see what happens here. See how it plays out. And then, yeah. Price going to go down. You'll see, bro. All right, Rami, I'll trust you. I'll trust you. I'm getting in full margin sales right now. Just because of you. I lose. Your fault. Nah, I'm playing, bro. I'm playing. Do it. Yeah, man. But chat, listen. Obviously, you are trading news. Good luck. Make sure you probably don't trade news, though, I would say. Probably not a good idea. Be careful, right? Especially be careful after the news push. Because there's a lot of times you can get wick saws. You can get, reversals. So just, yeah, be careful. But, yeah. Do you trade on TradingView or any other app? No, I trade on MT5, brother. On MT5. MetaTrader. What's your plans after news? Plan after news is to wait and see what the closure is. Firstly, the first 5-minute closure. If you close above all the ranges here on the 1, or sorry, not on the 1, but on the 5-minute, then you can probably take some bias to continue upwards. You need a bottom wick first, but after that, we might wait for we're most likely going to wait for the 4-hour close, right, which is coming in about 30 minutes. But if the 5 prints something nicely, you get a continuation upwards, we could take that. Otherwise, we'll wait. How much is your signals group? So it's $47 a month. And you get a free daily call with that every single day, right? So that's the main thing. It's more like a group coaching thing. You get signals included, obviously. You get all my trades. But The main thing is you can join a call with me every single day, a coaching call every day, which is pretty sick. Ask any of the people who's in the group. They'll tell you that they're pretty valuable. But yeah, Spion sent the link in right there to that. Good question though, bro. Thank you. Guess who's trading news? Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Chat, you just have to remember he doesn't lose any money when he does that, right? So don't let it, you know, don't let it get in your head. Let's see though. This 5's got no top wick. The previous 5 closed pretty much no bottom wick as well. Are you going to flip up? What's the move here? Two minutes, chat. Lock it in. Lock it in. 2 minutes till CPI in 2 minutes. Let's see here. Yeah, we actually should figure out a way to get a like a donation account going, and then at the end of the month we just full margin FOMC. Or like a fine account. Like if someone does something wrong, they have to pay like 50p. If someone gets timed out, they have to pay 50p. And then every time they do that, it goes in the pot, and then we full margin it. And then if we win at the end of the month, we just give it away to someone. It's so funny. You could turn like, I mean, you most likely lose it all, right? But could end up getting people a lot of money. Some random guy to win the giveaway. Mark is going to be broke. Yeah, trust me. What's good, Gabriel? How you doing? Yeah, bro. Mark actually would be broke. We just need to be lucky like 10, 20 times. Yeah, true. Chat, 1 minute here. Lock it in. Mr. Ray's is giving me the 1 minute warning. Yeah, man. Lock it in. Let's see what news does here, chat. Again, be careful. No FOMO. No emotionality. None of that stuff. Let's see what happens. I think you might get pushed down here, though. You might see a push down. Let me just drop to the 30. Alright, chat. 30 seconds here. Lock it in. Say see a gold. Yeah, maybe. What are we going to do here? Or is my trading view frozen or what? No, okay. It looked like Icy Markets was different to thingy. Not Icy Markets, Ava Trade, my bad. I'm so used to that. Oh! Whoa! Chat, all-time highs, you're gone, bro. See you in a bit. See you in a bit, man. Oh, maybe not. Oh, shit, chat. This is why you have to be careful here right now. You reflipped on the 30 on my broker. Bro, that's insane. I'm not touching this right now. I'm not touching this right now. The CPI came out lower than expected, right? Which means that is good for gold. That is positive for gold, right? CPI came out lower than it came out equal, and then lower, which means that is good for gold. But yeah, that shit's gone crazy. You did flip here though, chat, on the 30. Wow. Wow. Oh. Goodbye. That's all I'm saying right now. Yeah, I'm not taking anything here at all. Buyers and sellers got wrecked. Yeah, anyone who FOMO'd into that news got absolutely wrecked. I'm sure the Raja Casino got wrecked too. Jesus. Well, chat. Shit, insane, chat, insane. Yo, Rami, no signals, bro. Just taking out liquidity. Yeah, but you need a closure right now. Yeah, Hugh, I just checked DMs, bro. Oh my days. If you got in on that, oh my days. If you got in on buys there, you got wrecked. That is so tough. It's so tough. Just absolutely ripped down here. Wow. Dang, Wicks took a buy on the rebreak of the highs. Oh, bro. That's tough. Where was stops for that? $63. Shit. Yeah, man. That's tough, chat. That's why we don't trade news like that. That is why we don't trade news like that. Yeah, whoever said down got it right. Fuck me. But, oh, chat, did anyone see what happened to Raja? Because did he have buy stop, sell stops? Did he get activated on both? It's crazy, bro. What's good, SK, though? How you doing, bro? Welcome back. Long time, man. His stop loss got hit just now. Tough. Tough. Wicks 9 hit stop loss. Tough. In like a minute as well, eh? 2 minutes, something like that. It's crazy. Good, Charlie. How you doing, bro? Chat, drop a like if you haven't already, man. This is why we stay patient, right? This is exactly why we stay patient. The 4 hours coming down, you've pretty much flipped. Yeah, that gets difficult right now. Congrats everybody who promoted in. You just got ass spanked. Yeah, I know, bro. I know, man. That's difficult. Chat, that's why I don't like to trade these. I'm in sells. I'm gonna die. I'm in 6k drawdown. How can you be in 6k drawdown from sells? Did CPI come out? Yeah, Kyle. This is a CPI candle just here. This big wick up and wick down right here. Sorry, buys. Oh shit. Yeah, that's tough, bro. You want to be careful with that. Just make sure your stops are valid. Make sure you're not risking too much of your account too. I did say before the candle that you got to be careful. My trading view at MT5 and not synced up is so weird. Yeah, that can happen, bro. That can happen based on news candles and everything. Just takes a while for it to link up. But chat. Damn, was it negative news? No, it was actually positive for gold, which is interesting. But you did re-break the monthly high, I think. Yeah, you did. You did re-break the monthly high. And then obviously we just rejected off of that. As I said earlier, right, 79 is a very key area for us to tap. Once you tap that, yeah, you're good to rip down, to be honest. I was hoping to just get advantage from there up, so you know, definitely no buys once we came up there first. I would have needed a closure. For me, once you tap the advantage point, I need then to close above it. That's something that's specific to my strategy that I don't know if most people do. But for me, that's a very key part of my strategy, right? I want to see, so for example here, right, for 24.79, now that we've tapped into that and rejected, I now need to see a closure above that, or at least like, you know, an onion play lower down. But if it was to close like around here, I need to see us close above it. News came out negative for the dollar, I'm almost certain. Yeah. This is straight gambling, man. What joy do people get from unpredictable price action? I don't know, bro. Yeah, I do not know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm definitely not interested in any of that, to be honest. The easiest way to trade news is 5-minute closures. Literally wait for a 5-minute closure at least instead of burning yourself. I know, bro. Yeah, I know. Okay, chat's cool. So you did actually have, wait, you had a 5 closure, right? You had a 5 closure below the level. I don't think I can take sells just yet. Most likely I'll wait for the 4 here. W Trend just finished work, 10 PM here. Gonna hit the gym, then trade afternoon New York later. Hey, let's go FNAM. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh shit, chat, you're reversing a little bit here. Are you gonna reverse the whole move or not? That's the question. 4-hour close, chat, is realistically what's gonna bring us the best possibility here. Yeah, that's gonna be the highest probability trade for us. 30-minute flipped. Oh shit. But yeah, man, chat. Listen, I'm trying to teach you guys discipline, patience, all of that stuff, right? So, that being said, make sure you just drop a like for the discipline and the, you know, stoicism that we just are displaying here. We're sticking to the plan. We've got no entries right now, and if this rips up, which it looks like it might, just be patient, man. Be careful. Be careful. No FOMO here. No FOMO. I need a closure. Chat, the 5 minute actually did close below, right? So if you're taking buys now off this re-break, yeah, it looks nice on the 15, on the, everything else. But you just need a closure, man. You just need a closure. Anyone grab anything from that news play though, chat? Anyone grab anything? Please tell me no one took the buys from the top. I mean, you probably would have just been safe and got out just now if you stayed in, but you gotta be careful here. Back from minus 6k to 1k will hold. Bro, be careful, man. Be careful, bro. At least go to break even. Got wrecked on demo. That's okay, bro. As long as it was a demo trade. And you just did it for fun. Right? Or sample sizing. Imagine getting double cooked in 10 minutes. Bro, I know. I know people were looking for sells down here too. Can you get me some AirPods? Yeah, Eugene, I can get you some AirPods, but when you turn them on, it's going to say the Bluetooth device. Bro, I love those. I was in the airport once and I had no headphones, so I bought a pair from the fucking airport. They were like £40, bro. £40 for these little like Bluetooth headphones. Like no brand. I opened them up, turned them on, it went, it's a Bluetooth device. I was like, oh fuck. I'm cooked, chat. I'm cooked. What's good, Max? How we doing, brother? Morgan, if it closes below sells. Yeah, potentially, bro. If you close below 24.68, then yeah, potentially. On the 1, it's probably a little bit lower, actually. I want to say, yeah. You below 24.67.67, you could take some sells. But it's got to be on the 4-hour close, right? It's got to be on the 4-hour close. Oh, that's also the 4-hour level too. Perfect. Perfect. Now, what do we need for the 4-hour in terms of buys? We just need a closure now on the 4. above this level here. Very simple, chat. Oh. Closure above 2474.9 gives you a free and, you know, clean continuation to the upside. So that's what we're going to look for on the 4 hour in about 17 minutes time. Now, again, we need clear direction, and that is going to be clear direction. Now, if you do get a closure down here, you can potentially look at sells to fill the wick and continue down. But yeah, I'd rather get the buys, to be honest. I feel like we've been loading up for buys for a long time now, like the past day or two. I feel like this has all been gearing us up ready for buys, because you reject the low every time. Every time you come and make a low, it rejects it, right? You rejected the low here. You decided to make a new low here, and it instantly rejected it. And now you're testing this level over and over and over again. So in my opinion, yeah. Wait, what happened? What happened? Did I miss something? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, shit, from the fucking from the buys. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah, I can't lie, a few weeks have been setting up for 2500, bro. I feel like at least, yeah, I don't know, 2500. Yeah, potentially. I want to see, I said this earlier on London, but I want to see how we react at 2490 first. Because I feel like if you break these highs now, like if you break 2483, next logical stop is most likely 2490. As the like most, you know, the closest psychological level, let's say. You know, we like to react off psychological levels. So yeah, we'll see how that happens if it gets up there. But until then, I don't know, man. Not much else you can do. 15-minute close here, chat, in 1 minute time. 1 minute. Yeah, we're locked in here, man. Come lock in with us. Make sure you're in the chat, locked in, focused up. Take notes if you hear something you like. Make sure you're learning though. Don't just come here for no reason. Make sure you're trying to focus on stuff. Oh, cool. Now this candle of death. Yeah, this is the candle of death. I can't lie. Buyers got wrecked here. Sellers got wrecked here. Literally. And if you look on the one, it will just be a range, right? Yeah. It's literally a range. I'm hearing psychological levels a lot lately. Is it different from support or resistance? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't use it too much. The only way I use it is during all-time highs, right? But a lot of people suggest that psychological levels like multiples of 5, multiples of 10 react the same as support and resistance. I don't really believe in that, to be honest. But yeah, a lot of people say that. But when you get to all-time highs, right, that's the only thing we've got, basically. The only thing you can go off of is shit like, you know, psychological levels. But right now, obviously, I'd much rather use when you have levels to go off of, you're way better off just using them, to be honest. I really think we're gonna play those ranges up and down to elections, and then after the ear guy gets elected, we'll see gold melting like a fuck. Crazy, crazy, yeah. Potentially, bro, potentially. Yeah, if he does get elected, Mr. Earman, gold, I'm pretty sure gold melts down. Bitcoin will go up though. Saddam, what's good? Welcome. Good, what's good? What's good? Think do the same as yesterday. Yeah. Essentially, bro. That's when the rally will start. Yeah. Especially after what he's been saying recently. Yeah, that 15-minute is literally... Is there a name for that candle? Is there like a pattern candle for this? It's like the mega doji, I guess. Like, call it the range maker, right? I guess. Now you got a range between here and here. No way, chat. Donald Trump and Musk got sued for that X thing the other night. That X interview. That's crazy. The FU candlestick. Yeah, trust me. The liquidity provider. That's a cool name. Yeah, we can call it that. You can call it the monster doji. GeoGuessr today do static pictures with 30-second timers so we don't have cheaters. Static pictures. What, so you can't move? Or what? Bro, I need to move about. I need to find a street sign ASAP, otherwise I'm done. But I can do 30-second timer so you can't Google it. I can do that, but I can't do static. Because the only way I can get any guesses. $30 seconds good. Yeah, I didn't realize you could change the time. I'll definitely do that. Hello everyone and welcome aboard. This is your liquidity provider candle. Please wait for takeoff. Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you and enjoy the disaster. Bro. Yeah, man. Chat, I was watching a documentary last night with my girl about the Malaysia Airlines shit. That stuff's crazy. Every trader I'm seeing on IG Lives is giving motivational speeches because they blew their mentees' accounts. I'm in tears right now. This is why we don't trade news. Bro, who's saying that? That's funny, bro. Who's giving a motivational speech right now? No shot. I didn't realize people actually traded news, you know. I thought it was like a bit of a joke that, oh, don't trade news, like, you know, be careful. I thought it was a joke. But people obviously seriously try and trade news then, eh? Crazy. I've seen a guy on Instagram and he does like his specific thing, like the way he trades is buy stop, sell stops. That's all he does. I was like, that's crazy, but he does it on futures. So funny, bro. 5-minute close below the range with no bottom wick, right? Interesting. And there's a doc of the stat of the economy going back years, and every September is normally bad for the dollar. Bro, crazy. I feel like I wasted 2.5 hours watching that Malay documentary, and I noticed only 12 minutes left for the documents to finish them. No answer yet. Bro, yeah, but there's no answer in real life, so they can't make one up. You know? Select 20 lot and press buy. Chat, have you guys seen Come Fly With Me? Like that, no? Press 20 lot. Press cheeseburger. It makes a sound, yeah. Not a nice sound to hear either. Now, what do we think here? Are we going to continue to rip down or what? Four-hour close in about 8 minutes here, chat. So lock it in a little bit. Issue now is, chat, stops are massive. Stops are ginormous, which is obviously not a good thing, right? The most wild thing in the docs is the third scenario. Bro, FNAM, I'm pretty sure the third scenario is the true one. I'm not gonna lie. I can't lie, I'm pretty sure the third scenario is the true one. I recommend watching that documentary though for anyone who hasn't watched it. I would suggest that that's the... I don't know, man. Hey, hi life, what's good, bro? How you doing? Came back from a little holiday? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. How was it? Yes, yeah, sure, Spion. Yeah, link it, why not? You seem to be respecting these lows here. Interesting. Makes it a little bit tough if you start to respect the lows. You're just going to range. You're going to end up being in a range here. Unless the 15 wants to flip in the last minute. Possible, but... Jeez. I don't know, man. Hope everyone had a great week. Yeah, great week, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. You're pushing, chat. You are pushing. Wow. Okay. Cool, chat. So you got 4 minutes here to the 1 hour close, right? Sorry, to the 4 hour close. My bad. 4 minutes to the 4 hour close. Again, if you close like this, it's a little bit difficult. We'll have to wait for the next 1 hour after that. But if you can close out, if you can somehow close outside this range in the next 5 minutes, right? You have a 50 pip 5-minute candle. Then you might be all right. Might be chilling. I don't know if we're going to see that though, chat, to be honest. Push. What are you looking to happen to take an entry? So I either want like a clear closure below these areas here at 2467, but it needs to be like, to be honest, chat, I don't like the sells. I think we're respecting these lows too much. I do think we're gearing up for buys. So if it's on this 4 hour, what I need is us to close above the range, right? Which is obviously not going to happen. But if we're looking at the next 30 minute or the next 1 hour, which we will wait for, right? We'll wait for the next 30 minutes. Then all I would need, right, is a little bearish bottom wick, right? Bullish closure on a 30. And then we can take the buys to fill up to the rest of the range, right? That gives you a 70 pip range to take advantage of. But if you close in this range right now on the 4, again, there's not much I can do. So you'd have to wait for one more 30-minute closure at least. Which I'm fine to do, right? Of course, I'll stay on. But yeah, you might just have to be a little bit more patient, chat. But again, we know what happens when you're not patient, right? Decent rejection here. The 15 going to close bullish? Be crazy. Two minutes left, chat, to the closure. Lock it in here. Let's see what happens. Drop a like as well if you haven't already. But yeah, lock it in. Let's focus up here. Trumpet guy's about to go hard on the tunes. We need a command for the trumpet, man. What's good, Zare? How you doing, bro? There's a lot of volume here, though, chat, which is nice, obviously. Very, very nice. 1 minute making some continuation upwards. Shit, chat. The 15's coming towards a flip here. Insane. Is it going to flip? Are we going to flip here on the 15? You did flip. Interesting. For a bit you did. You might continue up here, to be honest. You need to close bullish if you're going to do that. I need at least one strong candle to close bullish, right? It can't just be a 5. Yeah, no, you rejected last minute. Tough. What's your thoughts on the 4-hour closure? I think we're going to close it still just in a range. I think we're just closing in a range, right? If you look at the 1, we're literally closing just in between the 2 levels. I need something to tell me whether we're going to go towards the top of the range first or the bottom of the range. And then the minute, it could be either, right? You could even break the lows. You could break the highs, right? So we don't know yet. That's the predicament that we have right now. Yeah, chat. So you closed on the 4-hour here. You did close in the range. But you're coming up top wick first. Most bad high volume I've ever seen. Yeah, I know. The volume's there, but the direction's not, chat. Remember, right? Every time I say this, you guys need to remember it, right? I say this so often, but you need 3 things for a trade. You need direction, you need liquidity, and you need closures, right? And volume. So 4 things. My bad. I just added closures there because it's important, but you do need closures, direction, liquidity, and volume. Now, at the minute we have volume, which is nice. You know, we're moving quite far. Like, you get big candles right now. You know, you got like 60 pip 5-minute candles. You've got liquidity, right? But the issue is you've got liquidity from both sides now. You've got liquidity from the top side and from the bottom side. The problem with that is now you don't know which way you're going to go. So now what you need is the closures, which give you the direction. So once that comes, great. But we just don't have that yet. So that's what the patience is. And that's why we're waiting for a setup right now. You need a bottom wick on the 4, yes. But we are right at the 4-hour level, right? This is literally the 4-hour, you know, support right here. So I can't take any sells right now because this could be the bottom wick for all we know. Yes, that's why it's bad. There's volume, but we are not getting confirmations for entries, just going up and down with no direction. Exactly, bro. Exactly. That's why you can't take any positions right now. Chat, I'm more than happy to not get a position, right? I don't care about it. I'm happy to not take a trade right now. I would still trade the PM session. I'll even trade, you know, towards the close, right? But we'll keep staying on stream for a little bit. But until then, until we get those confirmations, I can't take anything right now. Can't take anything right now. Cool. You are pushing down here, chat, which is good. When this starts to flip, and you get like a nice 30 closure bullish, we'll take some buys to continue up to the top of the range. Till then. So what are the rest of the players doing? It looks like they're just throwing money in the charts. Bro, don't worry about what the rest of the people are doing. Don't worry about what they're doing, man. They might have a different strategy to us. They might have an entry printed right now, and they might be like, this is the perfect setup. But for us right now, it's not, bro. And that's fine. That's literally fine, man. Like, you know, Eugene trades a different strategy to me, right? The other day, Eugene was in buys, and I was in sells, right? Our buys played out. Our sells played out. Eugene's buys played out. Fine. There might be a time where he doesn't get a trade, and I'm like, this is perfect price action, and he's like, it's shit price action. And there might be times where it's vice versa, right? And it doesn't mean that either of us is wrong. It's just we have different outlooks on the market, and different market conditions are needed for us to get a trade. So you can't look at what other people are doing. You can't look at an ICT trader and be like, fuck, he caught sells today. How couldn't I catch sells? Because we didn't see sells being printed, and that's fine. And then another day, that ICT trader might take a loss on buys, and we were like, nah, it was never buys. We took sells and took a win, you know? So it's all about different outlooks. Different strategies have different things that get printed. And to be honest, you should never be thinking about what other people are doing in the market. You should think about what you're doing. Including me, right? I mean, yeah, come here and learn. Come here and take notes if we talk about stuff, ask questions, all that good stuff. And yeah, take the trades too. Why not? Like, I don't see a problem with that. But if I'm saying something that's opposite to your analysis, you have to trust yourself more than you trust me. I don't know. I don't like this low though. I think you're respecting this low over and over and over again. Oh shit, chat. 5 minute no bottom wick. Rather interested in that. Rather interested in that. Realistically, you should see this push up here. I'm not saying it will, but you should. Should see it push up. Patience, chat, come on. 30-minute close in like, okay, 15-minute close in about 10 minutes here. Not a problem. See what it does. See what it does, right? Huge. Such an odd and exact place for price to respect. It's just a low that we've made and decided to respect. Yeah, it just is what it is, man. You most likely see this wick being filled now. Because the 4 hours coming down, you should probably fill this wick, or at least, to be honest, 75% of it like this. But yeah, we'll see, chat. We'll see. This 5 flips whilst it's still open. You're going to rip up though. Trenlines, am I right or not? About what? About what? Gamblers, some want to see, some want to buy, some want to sell. That's why you see high volume and big move in no direction. But you can see we still same range, 60 to 75. We didn't close above or below. So you know gamblers are in. Yeah, that's true. Very true. I think yeah, it's just a difficult time to be in the markets right now. Like, you have to wait for confirmation, otherwise it's just pretty much game over, you know. Yeah, it's just a tough one here. 5-minute flip though, you should see this push up in my opinion. Yeah, you should see this push up. Previous 5 closed no bottom wick. This 5 came down now, made itself a bottom wick and then flipped. I don't know, I would say this pushes up. A guess though. Actually, not a guess. An educated prediction. Let's call it that. 15-minute OTE. Crazy. 15-minute OTE, you know. One minute, no bottom wick, no top wick there. Yeah, what I'm telling you, right? Look at the way this respects the no wicks. It just respects it to a T. Really something you need to keep like an eye on, you know. It really is. But this is our this is actually a sample size play that I've been working on for a while, chat. So again, I'll bring it to you soon. But yeah, man, there's a lot of potential in this play. Yeah, man. Barcode? Yeah, it might do. It might do. You don't want to see it barcode, to be honest. Face reveal? What do you mean face reveal? What do you mean? What do you mean? Ripping, chat. Look at the 15-minute rejections. Yeah, it's nice, bro. It's nice. That's what I'm saying, though. We just need a confirmation to ensure that we're not going to keep coming down there. You know? Once we get that, we're good. Once we get that, we're chilling. We just need that confirmation, though. That's the main thing. Because at any point, you can still reject here, right? Any point. But yeah, if you get a 15-minute bullish closure here, we're getting some buys. We're getting some buys to fill the range. Nice push there, though. The 15 flipped, which is huge. Chat, I'm going to be talking about this in the group tonight. Who's this not Trenlines guy? I don't know, man. Someone there. A lot of similar wick rejections. If 30-minute bullish, then yeah. Bro, that's what I'm saying. If the 30-minute closes bullish, you're looking good, man. You're looking good for some buys. I took a buy after the news at 64, 65 and closed. Secured 66 or 64 pips. Hey, let's go, bro. Good stuff. We close above 72 on the 30-minute candle. I don't think we need to close above 72, to be honest. I think just a bullish closure here takes us up. We know who he isn't. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. You got a 15-minute closure here in about 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's see though, can we take it on the 15? Well, do we have any mirrors here? 15. I'd say on the 15 you need to be above this area here. realistically, in order for you to get valid buys, you need to be above that area there. At 2469.6, right? Otherwise, you can just reject off this area here, or this area here. 3 rejection levels right there. You don't want to tap into those and get get a rejection. The 5-minute also did just flip. You might continue down even. Who knows? Let me just take a screenshot of this chart real quick. Sample sizing, chat. We're sample sizing, man. Eliminating one by one would be a bad method to figure out who he is. Yeah, it would be a bad method, I can't lie. I think it's manipulation. Gonna go up, fly down, then go back up in the next hour. It's definitely manipulation right now. 100%. It's just whether or not, like, just how we're being manipulated here. Or how they want to manipulate it. Right? For all we know, it could rip down. That's so funny. One by one. Yeah, that's not a good method. I'll give you that. Okay, chat, you got 40 seconds to the 15-minute closure here. So let's see. It looks like you are going to close below, to be honest. Which is definitely interesting. Do you sample size on live? No, I sample size on fundeds. Because I don't really trade funded, so I just use them for sample sizing. But I didn't take that one. It's just it's still a play, right? So I still want to like jot it down. You know? See the result of it. So it would have got hit break even, basically. That's the result of that one, you know? We'll never know. Guess we'll never know. So chat, yeah, the 15 closed below. You actually closed right at a level, though. This is a pretty key level here on the 15. 2465. So I need to wait for a 30 right now. 30-minute closure. Just a choppy range we're in right now. I do want to see this 30-minute close bullish. But let's redo this real quick. I need to get my 30-minute and 1-hour levels. So, what I would say right now, wait, let me go to the 1. In terms of the 1 hour, right? You have a level here, which you are still respecting technically. You also have a level a little bit higher up, 2468. Still respecting that on the previous closure, which is nice. And then you have room, to be honest, up until 2472. Now to the downside, right? Where do you have? The reason I can't take sales, by the way, right now is because, yeah, you respect it on this 1 hour. So this could just be a wick fill for all we know. Right? I'm not saying it is, of course, but, you know, it could be, is the point. Now, the next level on the 1 is going to be 2463 or 2463.7. You close below there, it is clean traffic down to at least like 2460. Right? You've just tapped into it, so it's interesting to see how we react here. But yeah, after that you've got 2460 flat, like I said. But the next closure coming up is a 30-minute closure, right? So are the set levels the same on the 30? Well, in terms of buys, pretty sure they're similar. Yeah, just a little bit higher up. I think we need on the 30. You need to see a closure above 2468. But as long as this closes bullish, you're going to see a closure above there anyway, right? In terms for sells, same thing. I think you're good, actually. I think it's the same level. A little bit lower. Like here. 2460. Okay, you're going to rip down anyway. 2463.4. And then for sells on the next 30, it's going to be, I'd say there. Yeah. All right, clean. In fact, if we close like this on the 30, exactly where we are right now, below 2463, we'll take some sells to continue down, right? But to be honest, I'm still favoring buys, chat. Still favoring buys. I want to see a nice little onion play being formed. It's a shame Mark's not here. He'd love it. Dude would love it. Okay. Pushing here, chat. Pushing. Interesting how we went from being almost flipping on the previous 15 to closing bearish within like a minute or so. Maybe it's something to do with the wick. Maybe, right? But yeah, man, what about you guys? So have you guys managed to grab anything today? I know someone grabbed, who said that earlier? Abdullah grabbed 64 pips. Anyone else grab anything here? $58, $59 is a key level we need to tap, in my opinion, before we push up. Right? Nah, nothing so far. But I'm actually glad. I'm building like a breed of patient traders right now, which is great to see. It really is. We're creating like a you know, I'm off for the week. Why are you off for the week? What, with work or what? Number of viewers is cool. Ah, bro, it's way less than normal, bro, but yeah, I appreciate it. Unless you meant because it was, I don't know. I don't know what happened, chat. I thought we got unshadow banned, but we might be. I don't think we're re-shadow banned. Oh. Shit then, chat. Did we finally break? Did we finally break? ASG no trades today? Yeah, no trades yet, La Leche. We're still looking there, bro. 5 minute no top wick, chat. If this 5 flips, whoo. Big candle there though, chat. You got a lot of momentum here. A lot of yeah, man, this is an interesting one. Whoa. Big pushes here, chat. Big pushes. No FOMO here, man. No FOMO at all, chat. Bro, chat, we might be good for sells, though. Chat, remember at the start of the week, we spoke about this little mirror here. Mirror on the wall. We have the same shit going on here. You got this move here. This move here. Now you're going to have the exact same move here, or what? I feel like you might do. Last time we did that, we retraced all the way to 2410. You are tapping into a 4-hour level here, but you got some clean traffic. Quarter short at 24.62. Let's go, Omar. Good stuff. $24.45, yeah. To be honest, you've got clean traffic now all the way down to 24.25. I'm not saying you're going to go and hit that straight away, but you might just see a big retracement here, chat. Thing is now, even 30-minute stops are 200 pips. You know what I'm saying? Dipping, yeah, man. There's not much we can do here. There's nothing you can do. This is CPI, bro. CPI came out positive for gold. Like, deep that one. CPI came out positive for gold. Someone ask gold what the plan is? Yeah, because it's not telling me, bro. It's not telling me right now. I told you 24.55. Congrats, bro. Congrats, my G. What do you want me to say? Fucking. Got a 30-minute close here, chat, in 6 minutes. It's clean, but... yeah, we'll see, chat. We'll see what happens here, man. Lock it in here. I think if we do get a closure below on the 30, that should bring you all the way down. Unless it brings us down all the way before. The guy wanted to say it. I know, man. TP2, 24. Okay, bro. But yeah, your level here now to close below is 24.52, right? A big rejection here in the past, especially after a steep candle down, right? Just be careful here, chat. Remember also, look at the 4 hour right now. Like, it's very easy to get excited and get into sells here. But look at where the 4 hour closed in the 1 hour. You closed within the range, respecting support just here. So for all we know, this is a mega 4 hour bottom wick. Now, I'm not saying it is, but it really could be. It's very, very possible that it could be, you know? $30-minute close in 5 minutes here, yeah. Chat, look at this real quick, right? You just look at the 4. You look at the 4, what do you call this? Right? 4 hour no top wick. And what's it done here? Grabbing liquidity, right? I'm not saying it is liquidity, but if it is, holy. Holy. Yeah, after the moon, yeah, bro, 100%. Yeah, SCXT, exactly, bro. Grab liquidity. Chat, remember, you have to think about where the previous candle closed, right? You can't just, you know, go off just the direction. You closed respecting previously. You closed weak bearish, right? So I don't know, man. Not the biggest fan of sells here. Unless you close below, right? Close below, grab a big top wick, and then flip. And that's an indication that, you know, you're not grabbing liquidity, you're continuing further down. Man, if the 4 hour flips, then you are gone. Look at the liquidity you grabbed. If the 4 hour flips, we'll have buys on that 4 hour flip. Because there's no way that shit should flip and then not continue, right? But anyways, chat, 2 minutes here to the 30-minute close. Let's see what happens. Only way I can take this is if only way I can take this is if we close below, get a big top wick, and then we can use the current candle wick for the 30 to be the stops. Otherwise, chat, I'm not taking a trade with 200 pip stops. I'm just not going to take it. There's no point. Because firstly, I trade fixed lots, and that order size for me would be a large amount of risk that I'm not willing to take, realistically. Secondly, it's just not realistic, right? Like, I know we talk about risk to reward, but let's say you have 200 pip stops and you close 10 pips. That's a 1 to 0.05. I don't know, bro. That's all-time high stops. Yeah, bro, that'd be the biggest stops I've ever taken. Yeah, no way. Also, I'm not going to take a trade just because, well, no one actually said anything. I don't want to say that you guys are impatient or whatever, but you know what I mean. Just because, like, there's a necessity to get one if you're streaming, I guess. Will I be correct to say liquidity is just a retest of the previous highs or lows? Yeah, I mean, it can be a retest. It can be, you know, breaking below them. But yeah, I guess if you do break below them, you essentially retest them. So yeah. It doesn't have to always be the lows, though. You can grab, like, we could have grabbed liquidity from, like, here, probably. That would have been enough. You have clean traffic down now, though. Thanks, I'm just confused with what liquidity is. I'll make a video explaining that, actually. That's a good point. Let me write that down. I keep getting buzzes on my phone. Wait, let me see this open real quick. I think you're going to push down straight away. Yeah, there you go. I don't know what you want me to do. Like, no, well, no one said that, but I'm not doing anything here. Not doing anything here. Let me write that down. What did you say? So you want liquidity? Yeah. Let me write a little note of that right here. Market. Wait, understanding liquidity. Perfect. Cool. Cool. No worries, bro. Imagine a slingshot. Yeah, that's the best explanation. I do have a video of that actually on my Instagram. But yeah, it's like a slingshot, bro. So like, imagine you need to move the market. So to understand liquidity, imagine you need to move the market, right? But in order to move it, you have a big slingshot, right? That gets price. Now, if you pull the slingshot back a little bit like this, and then let go, what's going to happen? Well, not much is going to happen, right? It's not going to really move. But if you pull the slingshot back all this way, and let go, that pellet's going to go flying forwards, like really, really far, right? So liquidity acts in the same way. If you come down and make a huge bottom wick, and then reflip, i.e. let go and flip, then you can continue upwards. You know, you're going to push a lot harder. Essentially, it's like fuel for the market. But if you come down, make a small bottom wick, don't grab much, and then come the other way, you could just be shooting the slingshot backwards, right? And it could just come back and retrace. That's essentially how liquidity works. Thanks, SG, for the values. Thanks, chat. See you guys later. Got a dip. In a bit, Abdullah. In a bit. But yeah, that's how liquidity works. Chat, I'm worried that this... Not worried, but I'm thinking this could be a 30-minute fake out. If it is, chat, the buys will take will be super nice. If we get buys, chat, from, I don't know, a closure back within this range, that's clean. I'm going to stay until 3 o'clock, right, chat, as always. But after that, if nothing's printed, nothing's printing. You're in already? Nice, Kareem. This next 30-minute will tell us exactly what we need to know. Bro, yeah, 100%. All about patience today, chat. All about patience, man. Man, props to you for explaining it so anyone can understand it. I appreciate that, Kyo. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, I mean, it's a skill, right? I'm not saying that I have the skill, but it's definitely something that it's hard to explain in simple ways. So I'm very glad that you know, think that I can explain it simply. It's nice to hear. Chat, did you break the lows? Oh, you did, bro. Chat, this could be a clean 30-minute fake out. It might not be, but it could be clean. I was just thinking, imagine I say that and then the next thing the 30 flips and just rips down another 100 pips. Yeah, sick. Now we'll see here, bro. After that, though, I'm gonna hit a back day and then call it not a day, but you know, we'll wait till PM session. We'll wait till PM session. Oh my good camera back, bro. Five-minute close here in 40 seconds. Will be the first bullish 5-minute close in like 20 minutes. Potentially. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I spoke too soon. Anytime we close below 24.53, we've driven down to 24.48 area. Yeah, I know. I'm not saying we won't do that. I'm pretty certain we can do that, you know. But at the same time, I'm a bit concerned about stops here. Because your logical stops right now, 200. 200 pips. Which I don't want to take. Just don't want to take 200 pip stops. The data for me on the current candle on the 30 is not strong enough. The win rate on that for me is not high enough. Maybe it is for you guys, but in the past when I've taken a trade based off of that, I don't really trust it too much. So, I don't know. In my opinion, it's better off to wait and see here. Five-minute close bullish too. Did close respecting, to be fair. But you did close bullish. Facts, no trade, just something to watch out before thinking about taking buys. Oh yeah, 100% Ben, 100% bro. The only way we'll get buys right now is if you close back above the level, and that'll be a fake out right there. But yeah, no, 100%. I see the mirror too. Like every time in the past that we have closed below here, even on the 30, right? Like you'll see we drove down here, down here, down here, down here. Yeah, every single time. So yeah, I hear that 100%. Just trying to see if there's a way we can. Maybe we can grab that. Just need a confirmation, right? Even if it's a 5 bearish closure, respecting the top of this high. Once you respect that high, you should be good. And even if it's a 1 hour trade, right? $51 pip candle, that 5-minute is nuts. I know, bro. Wait, is this 5-minute candle not even longer though? Yeah, this one's 73, 74 pip candle on a 5-minute. No top wick, no bottom wick. That's classic gold if I've ever seen it. You just broke the highs here pretty much. Oh, you didn't actually. You nearly did. You are respecting it. Are you? We'll see, right? But if you respect that high, that's a good sign. You didn't respect it. Interesting, chat. Interesting. I think this is good. I think this is good. I think this next 1 hour close can give us a trade here, to be honest. I think we should be chilling. I don't see it going, unless the volume just dies out of nowhere. It shouldn't, right? Because New York Open was what, 10 minutes ago? Yeah, New York Open was 10 minutes ago. I don't see why this would just die. So you can either close back above 24.59, we'll get the buyers to continue up. And if you can obviously close below on the 1 and then get a top wick, then we'll take that. Makes sense, chat, or not? Yeah, these candles don't look very big, but they're 60 pips. It's so funny when you get into these volatile ranges, right? And you candles don't look very big, but then you realize they're like 60 pips and you're like, oh shit, maybe stops are a little bit big. We'll see here though, chat. So on the 1 hour, it's a bit of a different story, right? Because on the 1, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you still need to close below 24.52 now. That was your advantage point. You've already filled it. Potentially you could fill the wick, but again, a little bit difficult. Like I said last time, that small account, if sample, like I said last time, that small account, if sample, wait, what? If sample more is no longer small, then haha. What do you mean, Baron? Fucking gibberish. He's saying your sample size account is going to get bigger than your regular account. I hear that. That's respectful though. Chat, see what I mean about this 30? Yeah, okay. That's good shit, Kareem. I'm proud, bro. Chat, if we can close back above, or chat, if you can close back above 24.63. Very, very clean. It does need to be a clean closure. I want to see this 4 hour grab a top wick, right? Yeah, nice. 56, bro. Good stuff. Congrats. Pushing though, chat, which is nice. Nice bit of volume here. Let's see if it still works on a funded instead of a live account. Bro, just take it on a live and copy trade it over. Or just take it on your live, bro. And just build that live up if it's working so well. It takes a very disciplined mind to be able to just watch a candle move this far and not take a position, right? So give yourselves congratulations if you haven't taken a trade just yet. Right? Don't think you missed anything. Don't think you missed out, because for all you know, if you would have taken a trade that wasn't part of your plan, that shit could have ripped down and hit your stops, right? So, you know, just be careful. And yeah. Let's see if we can get a good setup here. Otherwise, man, I'll just play some GeoGuessr. We'll chill out and we'll have a good day. Infinite moves. Exactly right, my boy. Right. I need to buy a new fan. It's fucked. I just dropped it yesterday on stream. Completely broken. Chat, you're trying to push back into the range here. Get the Dyson. Bro, isn't that like 500? Nah, no way. Curious, if you have fund accounts collecting dust, why don't you just collect them to your live? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that's a good point, Joshua. That is a good point. I'm not sure why either. Don't end up like me, SG. That's true, Axel. That's true. Although I think AvaTrade have their own built-in copy trader that you can use. So I'll probably use that. Rather than like a social trader tools or something like that, you know. Okay, chat, you close respect in here. Strong bullish closure though on the 15 by the looks of it. Which is nice to see. Look at the 4 hour now, chat. And tell me you want to take sells. Social trader tools wiped all my fundeds. I know, bro, and they won't even reimburse it either. Like, it happened to me before on ICE, and when I used to be with IC Markets, I used to have 2 accounts linked together. And like 2 real live accounts. And it didn't trigger the stop on one of them. And they just were like, yeah. I think this was actually, yeah, it was social trade tools. They were just like, oh, yeah. Sorry about that. I was like, well, you're going to reimburse me? They were like, no. No, we're not. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Donate one to me. Hey, I give away a funded account basically every week, chat. So how about this, right? Victory Sense, we've got a deal. I'll give you the account. If you fail it, you pay me for it. If you pass it, I get the payout. Simple. No, I'm playing. I'd never do that. In. I had it to close slave accounts positions if master positions. Yeah, I had that too, bro. I had that too, but sometimes it just doesn't execute. Okay, chat though. 13 minutes here to the 1 hour close. If you close respecting 60, we'll get in some buys. Damn, today's giveaway. No giveaway today, unfortunately. I gave away 3 things yesterday. Can't give away any more. What I can give away though is some interesting knowledge, and that knowledge is if you use code SG at ACG, you get 20% off. So technically I'm giving you 20% of a funded account. Okay, no problem, bro. Nah, I'm joking, man. But yeah, not today. There'll be more every week, right? But just not today, unfortunately. Right, can we get to 50 likes? I don't know. I don't know what happened today, but yeah, appreciate it. SG DM'd you my details, by the way. Yeah, I sent them to Funded Trading Plus already, bro. They should get you an account. Pushing, chat. Pushing here, man. I like this. I like this. Stops are now also big, but the other way, right? But, I mean, Can't complain about that, to be honest, chat. Thanks, bro. Yeah, all good, bro. All good, my friend. Well deserved. 4 hour will flip an all-time high. Yeah, maybe. We're always here. Hey, thank you to Shaf. I appreciate it, brother. Thanks for the support. I hope so. 4 hour flip an all-time high, especially if you're getting buys. That'd be lovely stuff. To be honest, chat, I think it was easy today to get excited about all-time highs. And when you pushed up here, I think it was easy to say, oh shit, yeah, we're gonna rip up. Like, this is it. It's gonna be all-time highs right now. You know? And I think that's why probably some people got excited. But you just have to remember, right? A lot of the times when you think it's the biggest opportunity ever, that's when it's not, you know? When others are greedy, be fearful. And when others are fearful, be greedy. Simples. Somewhere in the world, someone's child got sniper liquidated on those cells. Crazy. True. Definitely true. Sam, you're trading a live account or funded account? Live account, brother. Live account. Kisses don't come for free. That's an absolute screamer, I'm not gonna lie. Still stuck in my head. Nine minutes, chat. Focus up here. Let's see what happens. I guess if you close below still, you can probably fill the range again, right? I don't know why I'm still going left. There's nothing there. Especially if you close bearish on the 15, you could use those highs as a stop, maybe. But realistically, I think the fake out buys are nicer. 5 minute making a bottom wick. You might see it flip actually in the first. It's only in the first 1 minute of the 5 minute candle here. Normally you'll see it flip around like 2 minutes in. 2 minutes 30, 3 minutes. You should see this candle flip. But you might just not at all, right? But it's been a good month so far, chat. I'm not gonna lie. We took a loss at the start of or the end of last week, which actually put us in a drawdown for the month. But then since then, right, including the previous trades before it and Friday's and Monday's trade, we're now actually positive for the month, which is great. So it's very good to see when you come out of those drawdowns, right, or when you take those losses and you can come back and you know, give yourselves sort of a redemption, or, you know what I mean, just prove to yourself that you actually can, you know, come back from them. That's when you understand that, okay, you just zoom out right now. Learn to zoom out. Think about the long term. Think about the months, the quarters, the years, even the decades, right? Like, think about it. 10 years time, 5 years time. How's this shit going to be going? Well, if you stuck at it, it's probably going to be the most, you know, lucrative thing you ever did. How much your average monthly return percentage? Bro, I don't like to work out those numbers. I don't know. Bro, I've never actually sat and figured that out. I just sort of let the live account compound. I don't really like to look at that. I'm actually not going to answer. Because I don't think it's a good thing to calculate that. Some months you do like 6%, some months you do 10%, some months you might even do like 15%. Other months, you might do minus 5%, you might do minus 2%, you might do minus X amount percent, right? Like, July was a negative month for us. I'll be open and honest with that from the beginning, right? Last month, we were down something like 1.5% for the month. For me, at least. And that happens, right? It's part of the game. So there's not really an average. But that was the first losing month we've had since, like, or for me at least, since like 8 months. No, longer than that. Maybe that, I don't know. But the thing is with me, I don't know, I don't want to say superstitious, but I'm very aware of how things, you know, can affect your mentality. And I've noticed that the more I fixate on the numbers, the more the numbers take control, you know. That's not a good thing. So for me, I just don't even calculate it. I don't look at my profit month on month. I don't look at any of that stuff. I just go, good month? Yeah, cool. Do we stick to our plan? Yes. Was the streams good? Was there good education? Good positions? Yeah, great. Continue on. That's it. That's literally it, man. Miash was good. Facts. Yeah, thank you. I think so. I like to agree. You're making a lower high here, though, chat. Got 5 minutes, or sorry, 4 minutes to this 1 hour close right now. If you close below 24.60, I think you're probably going to continue downwards. But if you close above, I think the 4 hour flips. But right now, chat, we're in no man's land until the closure. Love you, honesty. Hey, thank you, La Leche. Yeah, it's part of the game. I don't think you'll find many other streamers saying that there. I've got a video on YouTube coming out about that tomorrow, hopefully. About how to recover from a loss, right? That's going to be a great video. You should definitely go check that out. It's literally just a sit down, face-to-face discussion. I'm chatting to you guys about how I process losses. But yeah, that should be out tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe if you're new. And yeah, that's it, man. Pushing up here, chat. Pushing up. Still 8%. I'm still minus 8% to be honest, and I'm absolutely fine with it. I don't try to recover crap. We'll do things as I usually do it, and it will even out. Exactly, bro. GG's. Good mentality, Gabriel, man. Good shit. Good shit. That's exactly right, man. Sometimes I forget losing is fine. Yeah, I hear that, bro. I hear that. Don't let it stress you. You're good. Pays my bills for over a year now, so I've been here before. Yeah, we all been there, done that, right? Chat, we're going to close above here. You got 1 minute and 50 seconds. Thing is, the tough thing is, chat. Close below, I would want you to close bearish on the 15. If you close above, obviously we need to be bullish. But if you close bullish on the 15, like right at the level, a bit shit. Okay, let's see here, chat. Interesting thing for me is you grabbed a lot of liquidity, right? But you didn't actually reject that much. Like, you didn't massively reject and push up. Like, you're struggling to drive up still. So for me, that's an indication that we can probably come a little bit further down. So if the 15-minute closes like this, bearish, we'll take some sells after a top wick. But you got 36 seconds here, chat. Alright, chat, 10 seconds to the closure. Ah. That's that one, chat. That is that one. That's the day. Why are you smiling, you creep? Hey, enough of that, Joshua. Someone put Joshua in the timeout bin. Charge him $10 real quick. Let's put this guy down a peg. Put him in the timeout area. $10 to Eugene, Joshua. That's your fine. Chat, let's play some GeoGuessr real quick, and then I'm gonna jump off and go to the gym. That's it, man. Yeah, that's it for the day. I'm gonna play this GeoGuessr, and then we'll be done. Right, that chat, that is an incredible thing. That's trading, though. I can't lie. We waited all day for that one closure, and then it doesn't come correctly, right? Just part of the game. It's part of the industry that we're in, right? So don't stress yourselves about that. That's literally nothing you can do, right? Absolutely nothing. Let me invite you guys. Let me invite you guys with a link. Yeah, I'm still going to be trading in the Signals channel in the coaching group, right? If you want to join that, then just go to wap.com/Trenlines. You get daily coaching calls with that and the Signals group as well. So I'll still be trading the rest of the session in there. But yeah, until then, we'll play this. We'll play the GeoGuessr game, and that's it, man. Guys, jump in the game if you're gonna play. You're gonna play now. Oh, okay, cool. We got some people coming in. Red. Yo, why my girl? Yes, bro. Spion. Me and Spion are the only guys here. The rest of you guys are dressed as girls. I'm not sure why. I think you chose it, to be honest. Do I need to make an account now, Remy? You just click the link, bro. How do I change the name? Are you Red Noodle Holes? Bro, you just Red. That's so funny. Who's forested cliff as well? Oh, you're forested cliff. Okay, Noodle Hops. Fair play. Alright, wait. Let me set this up. Let me ask. Wait, is Hugh in here? Are you joining the GeoGuessr? I know you love it. Alright, wait. Let me set this up. So, what's the move? Round time 30 seconds. So you guys can't cheat on Google. Alright. Yeah, cool. Alright. Wait, should we do no moving? Alright, let's do no moving. Fuck it. I'm gonna be so shit at this. But there we go. Alright. Chat, let's play the game, man. Wait, one sec. There you go. Let me start it. Alright, you guys gotta be quick. You got 30 seconds. Brilliant. Chat. Yeah, Hugh, why the fuck did you say no moving? I've got no clue where we are. Right, wait. The sun's in this direction. Sun's south. That doesn't mean anything. Fuck. Bro, I reckon I've guessed miles away. I reckon I'm so far away, it's not even funny. Brilliant. So it was what, France? No, where is this? Yeah, it was in France, and I guessed Australia. That's kind of crazy. I literally could not have been further away. Bro, who guessed out there? Yeah, I'm blaming Hugh for the no moving. That's ridiculous. Yeah, sick. Yo, Hugh. What's wrong with this guy? Alright, what's the road markings? Is it America? Oh, wait. Okay, wait. I can't say shit. I'm going to say it's here. 8 seconds left to guess, man. Oh. I got 2 points. Fuck yes. Where was that? Argentina or it's Chile? Chile. I've got 2 points total after 2 rounds. That's insane, bro. Oh, I know exactly where this is, bro. I know exactly where this is. Not the town, but I know. Wait, I've got a good guess here. I can't lie. I've got a good ass guess. Where is it? I'm going here, man. Oh, wait, what? It was Scotland. I was... Fuck. That's not a bad guess, though. I can't lie. I'm pretty sure everyone knew that was the UK. Lossidok House. What language is this? Pace. Oh, shit. I know what this is. They got steroids at the pharmacy, bro. That's my guess. Nah, it's not full. It's up to 100 people, bro. What? How are you telling me that's Africa? That I swear that looked like Mexico. Fuck. No points again, man. I didn't look at the people. Hugh, I'm fuming at you for the no movement mode, bro. This is outrageous. No shot. Associato Autism Lumea. They put us outside the autism center. Oh, that's Romania. Bro. You're from Romania, Gabriel. That's a cheat code. They actually put us outside the autism center as well. That's that makes some sense. I can't lie. Cool chat. That's gonna be it for the day. That was a woeful game. I finished off there with I got 4,000 points. Okay, I'm not too upset with that, bro. Breezy Park, whoever that is, and Joshy, you kind of slacked. Yeah, Gabriel, W coming first, Noodleholt second, Seb's third, Speon fourth. All right, man. Romania saved you. I was gonna say you clutched up there with Romania. All right, that's it from me, chat. Have a good rest of your day. What's gold doing? Yeah, of course you fill the wick with no top wick. That's classic. All right, man, chat. Have a great rest of the day. Catch you all in London stream tomorrow. And other than that, trade responsibly. Peace out. Much love. Goodbye. See you in a bit. Yeah.